God first, girl, you know the vibes.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you are a returning subscriber. And today we are going to Anandale Waterfall, and we're gonna try to get to Grenada. Hopefully I'm pronouncing it properly. But yeah, so let's get into the video. I just want to show you my outfit really quick. Let's go. I got a van, a number 7, but it has to say Willis. I gave them like $4. I don't know if it's $2.50 is actually the correct bus fare, but I'm like, I'm a tourist, I'm not paying a taxi. I don't mind paying you guys a little extra, that's just me. But yeah, and I got a free ride from True Blue from this guy, which I would insert his card. He does tours and he does taxi services. He also operates a minivan. So if y'all want to come to Grenada and you want someone to show you around, because he was talking to me really good. Girl, when I tell you this, Grenadians are so nice. They're so nice. I mean, Vincentians are nice too. I can't lie. But like, it's so nice when you go to a country and the people are, you know, friendly, easy to talk to, all of that good stuff. Hopefully I'm walking in the right direction now. Let's ask. Hey, I'm looking for the Anandale Waterfall. Do I keep going? All right then.
You will see a kind of bus. It just goes down. And
Okay.
People there, you want me to go sit down.
All right then. Thank you.
Yeah.
See, this is what I'm talking about. It's nice. Hello. Hi. Hi. He is. Hello. Oh my gosh, y'all, this is my first time touching a monkey. Hi, yeah. What are you doing? You want belly rubs? Oh my gosh. I'm done. Y'all, the monkey was trying to go. You sneaky. He was trying to go in my bag. Look at this. Look at this. Nope. Yeah. Bye. As you guys can see, we've made it to Anandale Waterfall. Hopefully I can get somebody to take a picture with me. Oh, there's like a nice restaurant here. Y'all, go Grenada. I see you. Another bucket list adventure of my checklist. The water is pretty cold. It's not so deep, at least where I am, which is this far away. I do see fishes in here, so that's another thing. So guys, while I'm here, right, I'm noticing these black things on the rocks, and there's something back home that we call whelks, right? It's basically like sea snails, kind of. Y'all see these fishes. Anyways, this is basically like a river version to that. Like, what? That is so interesting. I don't think I've ever seen this back home. So I'm gonna put it back on the rock. But they're like all over. Like everywhere you see those little black dots. Yeah, they are. I want us to eat them. We eat them back home. Crazy. You can also see in the water. Look at a fish. Y'all see the fish? Where did it go? Oh, look at them. You see him? Look at him go. Okay guys, if you look on this rock, you could see like little pathways. So those are the like snails. I don't know what you call them, but they made this out from the sand as they glide across. Alright guys, I am ending my vlog here and I'm heading back to the resort. I don't think I'll be able to make it to Grand Etang, which is perfectly fine. Hopefully one day I'll get to go there. But I hope you guys have enjoyed Grenada thus far, because this is my last video here. I will be checking out in the morning. So thanks again so much for watching and being here, supporting me. It's been real. I am so close to a goal. So thank you so much for being subscribed. Don't forget to like, comment, and again, subscribe. Let me just remind y'all. So I will give you guys a full review and update and what's not when I get back home to St. Vincent, to let you know how I really felt about Grenada. But so far, thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.